may announcement pa coming from our friends at Mac and Mitch General Store. US Surplus Mac Mitch General Store. Ayan, okay. Check out the massive selection. Styles from modern to classic, yung mga furnitures. Deep discounts on featured items. Twin bed sets, sofas, carpets. Freebies with every qualifying purchase. Okay, ask our in-store or DM for details. Okay, new items added daily. First come, first serve, huh? Okay, so check it out. New arrivals at Surplus Mac Mitch. May new arrivals lagi. New stock just arrived at the US Surplus Mac and Mitch General Store. Okay, saan matatagpuan? Where is it located? May nagtatanong eh. Dito sa page nakita ko. They are located at number 7 National Highway. Subic, right after Santa Monica Subdivision, right in front of Go Big Highway, besides Emily Wheeler Pawn Shop. Ayan, dali matagpuan, no? Number 7 National Highway, madali lang, Matain. O, pagpasok mo ng Matain, o, yun na, malapit na yun, number 7 lang, eh, no? Yeah, okay. So, for inquiries, visit their official Facebook page. Pwede mag-inquire doon, no? I-messenger nyo yung Mac and Mitch General Store. You can also call or text them up, 0928 785-8884. Once again, the Facebook page, ha, i-look up nyo lang, US Surplus Mac Mitch General Store. That's the name of the page. And shout out then to our friends at CMMG Co-op Hospital. Okay, check it out. They have emergency room consultation, inpatient admission, outpatient as well. Laboratory, radiology, pharmacy, OB-GYN ultrasound, newborn screening, audiometry, immunization, annual PE, pre-employment, executive package, drug testing, and a whole lot more. Complete! CMMG Co-op Hospital. Yun, sabi nga nung page nila. Ayan, nakalagay. Adequate, appropriate, accessible, acceptable, and affordable health services. Located at number 14 Brill Street, West Bahak-Bahak, Olongapo City. Shout out to our friends there. You guys, all you guys there at CMMG Co-op Hospital. Magandang gabi. And eto na yung binabanggit ko na na announcement ng civil registrant. City's Civil Registry, okay? Na nakapost din sa Olongapo Info page, nakapost din sa Olongapo Tourism page, and Gapo Tourism, or Tourism Gapo. Ayan, the mass wedding that will be happening on February 13, 2026. Ayan, okay? So, syempre may mga instructions, may mga kailangan, may mga requirements. Kailangan yung tawag dito, I'm lost for words. Kailangan yung sa katuparan. Ayun, there you go. For the mass wedding, February 13 to, ha, sa SMX Convention Center gagawin. Pangmaramihan na wedding to. Mga pare, mga gusto nyo pakasalan na si Mahal. Baka ang tagal nyo na. Ang tagal nyo na, tama na. Kami naman. Hindi, joke lang, yan. Yung mass wedding, syempre meron munang marriage license, pagkuha ng marriage license. January 5 to January 28. Okay? Kuha na kayo, avail na kayo, ha? Nag-start na yan kahapon, January 5. Tsaka yung Article 34. Ayan, November 28 to February 10 naman yan. Okay? I'll tell you more about Article 34. Nung una, di ko rin alam to eh. Ang mga aplikante po ng Article 34 ay kinakailangan nasa edad 23 anyos pataas at nagsasama ng 5 taon o higit pa. O, di ba? Malinaw yan, ha? Ang mga kakailanganin pong mga dokumento ay ang mga sumusunod. Senomar, yung Certificate of No Marriage, ha? Maring mag-request sa opisina or sa PSA, no? Philippine Statistics Office. Birth Certificate. PSA copy ng birth certificate kapag outside Olongapo City ang birthplace ng mga aplikante. Okay? Birth certificate ng panganay na anak na may edad 5 taon pataas. Para sa mga couples na 4 na taon pa lamang ang panganay o wala pang anak, humingi lamang po ng certification galing sa inyong barangay na katunayan na kayo ng inyong partner ay nagsasama na ng 5 taon o higit pa. Okay? Huwag po kalimutang dalhin ang mga valid ID, sariling black ballpen. O, hindi pwedeng maghiraman ng ballpen. Baka marami yan. Kung iisa lang yung ballpen, paano yun? 2027 kayo matatapos pagka iisa lang yung ballpen. dalhin sa nasabing dokumento sa opisina ng Civil Registry of the Office of the Civil Registry upang mag-apply, no? Okay. Samantala, ang mga aplikante po na may edad 22 pababa, 22, at ang mga aplikante na wala pang 5 taon na nagsasama ay kinakailangan pong dumaan sa normal na proseso ng marriage license application. Ipinaalam po sa lahat na ang kabuuang proseso para sa gaganaping mass wedding ay libre lamang. Libre ha. Baka may mga magaling na naman na maningil sa inyo. O akin na, i-process natin. Bigyan mo ako ng certain amount. May mga ganun eh. May mga ganyang galawan eh, no? Libre lang ha. Except, syempre, kailangan yung libre lamang, maliban lamang sa mga requirements na kailangan i-request sa PSA. Siyempre, may fee yan eh, yung sa PSA. Tsaka, like ng Senomar at birth certificate, no? Siyempre, may PSA fee yan. Di ba? Magsadya lamang po sa Office of the City Civil Registrar, ground floor, Olongapo City Hall, or tumawag sa 611-4815, local 152. Or contact Miss Jing Rivera 0920-133-7780 para sa karagdagang katanungan at impormasyon. Okay. And this announcement is from the Olongapo City Information Center. And our punong lungsod, of course, the Honorable Roland Lenjay Paulino Jr. And also from Dagapo Tourism na rin, nakapost din to eh, no? Okay. Ayan, so that's the latest announcement for you. We're running out of time and the latest in weather. Forecast weather conditions. Shear line affecting the eastern section of southern Luzon. Northeast monsoon affecting the rest of Luzon. Easterlies affecting the rest of the country. Okay? Bicol region, Quezon, Oriental Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and Northern Samar will have cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms brought about by the shear line. Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, and Palawan, cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorms brought about by the trough of the LPA, low pressure area. The rest of eastern Visayas, cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorms. Cordillera, Administrative Region, Cagayan Valley, and Aurora will have cloudy skies with light rains. Metro Manila and the rest of Luzon will have partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated light rains. The rest of the country will have partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms. Ayan, so ibig sabihin, maaari pa rin makaranas ng pag-ulan, ano? Pero ano lang naman, isolated rain showers, hindi naman ibig sabihin malakas ang pag-ulan to, no? Olongapo City, for the meantime, current temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, forecasted high of 31 degrees Celsius, kaninang tanghali yan. And the lowest forecasted low is 22 degrees Celsius. Sunrise was this morning at 6:26 a.m. Sunset, it was at 5:44 p.m. this afternoon. Okay? Ayan, so there you have it, the latest in weather. And that's about it for me. Maraming salamat again for keeping me company. All of you guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Ayan, okay? Thank you for joining me. Let me check muna before I say goodbye nga pala. Let me check muna our friends on the live stream. Maraming salamat sa mga nakikinig sa atin, ha? Yung mga nakikinig sa live stream kanina pa. Pasalamatan muna natin. Ayan, thank you. Thank you. Kay Kuya Rusty Fabunan. Shout out. Ayan, kay Celine Rosel. Jenny Rimando, AJ Trance, Augusto Jorge Lacasad Jr., Edwin Bagang, Joseph Amigo, Ferdinand Castillejo Supnet, ang dami ha. Raquel Beconyado, Elisa Sasalandingin, Rodney Alcantara. Ayan. And again, happy birthday kay Idol Jimmy. Idol Jimmy Gunob-Gunob. Ayan. Idol, mabuhay ka. Hanggat gusto mo. Yeah, all right. And who else do I gotta greet? Madam Betchay and Ate Amy at the Zubik Safari. Ayan, I hope you guys are doing fine. Kamusta na? Ayan, pati na rin sila sino to? Sila Boy Labo. ng Tokmols page. The Tokmols Pero Pogi. Ayan, ito yung mga members ng Tokmol Pero Pogi. Si Richard Tingson, Eric Mislan, from Italy. Nasa Italy to, no? John Jecoli Santos, Joseph Eric Calma, Peter Di Guzman, si Sandro Basilio, tsaka si Eugene Ebreo, no? And everybody else. All around the world. All right, thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Time for me to press play on my for my final song, okay, which is a requested song. Music coming from this band. Ayan. The song is called Kahit Ayaw Mo Na. Catch me again tomorrow. Bye for now with this song, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.